Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn app. To know how to fix or how to solve any issues or problems that you have with LinkedIn, you should just go to settings. Here on this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to the window of LinkedIn and you will click here. After that, in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here in this page we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors on your app. And in the end of all the steps, you can turn on your phone and you can wait a moment to turn off your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.